Hello everyone, welcome to Mais Media. My name is Daniel Barreiro, artist name Mais. Today we're drawing Jason from Friday the 13th. I really like movies, so I will be drawing a lot of characters from movies that I like in a cartoonish animated style and hopefully learn some things from there. Right now, I'm using references and playing with the poses to try to come out with a fun, dynamic pose for Jason to have. It's just try and error, do as many um, poses as possible, and choose one and go from there. I gotta keep in mind that Jason is a very stiff character, so as dynamic as I want to be, I also want to put that hardness of his character. So I think I'm gonna go actually with I think it was the first one I drew. I'm tweaking specific parts of the body with a select tool and by drawing on top of it. On another layer, I'm redrawing the character again and keep tweaking and keep adding to it until I feel comfortable. At some point, you have to decide and just start adding details that will give the character a little bit more of that characteristic look. I'm still trying to keep it simple since I'm doing this in a cartoonish or animated style. I think I have enough information now on this sketch, so I can now go and add another layer and do more of a final sketch, more of a final line work. There are so many versions of Jason through the movies. There's even a Jason in space, but I went with most classic look. Remember that through the process you gotta have fun. Drawing lines in different thickness can give a little sense of direction to the pose. Let's draw a few more details in. I think I'm ready to remove the underdrawing and give Jason some color. Well, you can use the bucket tool or the color tool to just drop the color in. I like to sometimes just add the color in with by hand with a pencil with a brush. If I do that, I use a select tool on Procreate that allows you to just have a workspace, selected workspace. In this case, the silhouette. So even if you draw over the line, outside the line, it will only render, or it would only color inside the silhouette or whatever selected area you have. I was working on the grayscale layer, so now I'm gonna finish up the color layer. I'm gonna give Jason a place to be. Right now he's just in open space, so I'm gonna be playful with the background. I'm not sure what I'm gonna go for, but I think I'm gonna play with the fact that Jason has those holes on his mask and use that for the background. As you can see, even if you use a select tool, you might still have to clean up the outline. That's what I have to do in this case. Remember, I'm working in different layers as well. I'm going to work on the grayscale layer now. Give it a few more shadows, make it darker overall. Every time I work on a grayscale layer, I always think of Super Smash. That would be fun to see Jason as a character on Super Smash. I think he's a playable character on a Mortal Kombat game. So back to the drawing. I'm a little behind on time, so I'm gonna start working now on the title. I will be cheating a little bit here because I will just basically trace over an existing title. I'll try to make it fit in with the overall image. I usually would do my own grading, but this time I ran out of time. Okay, I'll add a signature now, and that's it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and send me some comments.